I read Parade magazine, and my kiddos read highlights. Listening to Pompeii by Bastille on double coffees is a transformative experience. Ariel is the best Disney princess, hands down, no exceptions. If you don't like sarcasm and coffee, I'm a man without a hat, because you ain't no friend of mine. You're like a Garfield cartoon strip, classy, dignified, unimposing, and extremely funny. People told me today that people who enjoy Hakuna Matata are the real problem. Who was I to know it wasn't my job to belt it like I'm Barbara freaking Streisand this morning in the break room? Man, you better bring me my coffee. It's a cook fish in the break room microwave kind of day. That's the scar in me. I got a C- in Spanish class once again. It's gonna be a sit in bed and watch Pixar movies while I eat crumble cookies kind of day. Andrew Lloyd Webber. End of story.